Hey y'all, I'm Jordan. I'm a 23-year-old, almost 2 years post-grad, who's been living in Mexico City for about a year now, documenting my journey of navigating and building a life abroad. And it's been a great experience so far, but I hit a point in my journey where I let my doubts and worries keep me from being present and just enjoying it. And I want to rediscover that excitement I had when I first got here. So I'm starting this series to continue documenting the real experience of living abroad, but also to capture the beautiful things and opportunities that Mexico City has to offer. So join me as I get back out there and explore different places, connect with other foreigners, track my weekly spending as a girl on a budget, give y'all some Mexico City how-tos, and continue to bring y'all in on what I'm learning and how I'm feeling along the way. So welcome to my Mexico City Diaries. All right, so this week I really didn't do much. I just kind of was enjoying a slower paced week. I still made progress in some other areas, which was cool, but still not much for me to like capture and document. So yeah, I don't know, enjoy this shorter vlog for the week.
Lo dimos en 120. Sí. No es tiempo de higo. El higo sale hasta mayo, junio, julio. ¿A poco? Sí.
Hola, buenas tardes.
¿Dónde se los pongo?
En la cocina.
Perfecto.
Gracias.
Nada de qué.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Que tenga buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Hi guys. Alright, starting off the week, cooking my meal. And this week my vegetarian meal is pasta. Just no meat and no sauce. So for my pasta I have ajo, cebolla, champiñones that I just washed, that's why they're in here. And what else do I have? I have espinaca y tomates, and let me see, what else do I have? I have, what else do I have for my pasta? I have my actual pasta, and what else did I get? Oh, okay. Butter, mantequilla, queso de parmesan, queso parmigiano, and pasta, wherever it's at. I don't know where I put it. And some olive oil. And yeah, I think with that we're gonna be able to make something great. I'm pretty confident about it. And I have chicken broth. I don't know how I'm really gonna use that. The issue is like coming up with a sauce-y like sauce. Coming up with sauce is like the difficult part because I didn't buy sauce. And I didn't want to do like a heavy cream sauce. I just wanted to do like butter, and I don't know, but I think it's gonna come out good, so we'll see what the end result is. I am very hopeful about how this is gonna turn out. Oh, and then I have Parmesan cheese for on top. Boom. That's gonna be the vegetarian pasta. And I think it's gonna be a hit.
We've done it the right way. We called the league. We've sent in clips. We're sick of hearing the same stuff over and over again.
Un desgaste con la pierna derecha, regresas, un largo
nuevo paso, flexionando la rodilla de la pierna izquierda, regresas. En 3. Dale, ya estamos en 5. 16, 18, 5, 20, tú sigues. Bien.
Hi guys, I feel like this is the first time I'm speaking to you guys. I really haven't done anything this week, but today I just recorded some stuff for Bree's docu-series episode, and I think we're just gonna hang out in the Condesa Roma area. I'm about to go to the park, and I really need to like play out my docu-series a little bit. Like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just kind of have like people that I want to record, but I need to just figure out more of like the story and like, I don't know, just figure all of that out. So I'm about to go to the park and do all of that. But first I'm about to get some juice because I haven't ate anything. I really want some orange juice. So I'm about to get some orange juice, go to the park, and yeah, and then later on I'm supposed to be meeting up with 2 other girls who like I'm trying to cover for the docuseries as well. And I have my Bible talk discussion later with my church. We do like a discussion like every week, and so going to that, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know, I'm kind of just like hanging out today.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
¿Qué te preparamos?
Me gustaría solo jugo de naranja con jengibre. Chico. Rosa, siente tus rodillas. Otra vez. Eso. Se va. Alright, hi guys. I am still outside in this sun. I like it though. The weather is pretty good. It's like 80s. It's just super hot. But anyways, I just got done talking with 2 of the people that I'm going to be featuring in my docu-series, and they're really cool. They started like an art house, and I actually had like Danny on here who is like kind of a part of that, but they're the ones who like actually like came up with the idea and like who do a lot of like the hands-on stuff. And so I got done talking to them and just hearing about like how they got started with it, and yeah, they're really excited just to be a part of it because they haven't gotten any exposure really, or anybody like come and record or anything like that. So they're excited about it, I'm excited about it, and yeah, we'll be getting a plan together to start shooting with them soon. So yeah, but now I am in like Condesa, Roma, and I have something to do over here at 7:30, and so I'm just gonna like stick around here. So yeah, I'm about to go meet up my friend Diego. We're probably, well, I want to go get ice cream. I haven't told him that yet, but we'll probably go get ice cream and figure something else out. We're supposed to go to the gym, but it's not looking likely. But yeah, that's what's on the rest of the agenda today. I really just wanted to record because the lighting is really good. So that's that. Smile. Hello, my name's Jordan Starr. All right, so this week I feel like my little takeaway is just to like not rush the process of stuff and just let things happen when they're supposed to happen. Like, so with this whole casting thing, I have been trying to get into it for a while, right? Like, I made a video a couple months ago before I went home about like doing casting and getting connected with somebody, and even with that, like, I thought that when I got back I would be able to reconnect with that casting agent, and when I reached out to her when I got back, she opened my message and I never replied. And so, but I didn't really let that worry me. I don't know, I kind of just was like, okay, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But like this week, one of the comedian guys who I had in my last vlog, he had posted something in a group saying that there was a lady who was looking for like a specific type of person for a commercial casting. And so I just hit him up and I was like, hey, can I have her information? And they got her information and she sent me the casting information. And then she also said that she would put me in her database so that for future castings that I was eligible for, like, she would send them to me. And so, I don't know, I didn't worry about it, and it still ended up like coming back around to me. And so I feel like that's just a lesson, like, for me to not like feel like I have to force things. I could have like went out trying to like just like continue to hound the previous casting agent. I could have been like going out trying to like seek things on my own, but I don't know, that's not my way of doing things. I do truly feel like things that are meant for me to do, the door will open. So that was one little thing about this week. And also, even with the docuseries, like, I've been in the process of like kind of like creating it since I've been back in Mexico, so probably for about a month. But I feel like this week was really the week when it all started to like feel like it was kind of coming together. Like, I am getting people who like who I'm like really excited to cover. I am like the angle of it changed a little bit, and just like more ideas have been like flowing in. And so even with that, like if I would have came and just like rushed trying to get that all in motion instead of kind of just letting it flow the way it's supposed to, then I don't think that I would have like been telling the stories that I want to tell, or I wouldn't be capturing them in the way that I want it. And so I don't know, I just think that things take time, and I think that when you choose to just go at the pace that you're supposed to and not rush through things, and that's when they are truly able to like take time to breathe and develop. So yeah, and even with YouTube and this channel, I've really been trying to catch myself with not conforming to making content that I don't care about making. And so I'll be honest, like I've been a little antsy when it comes to the growth of my channel, because like I'm coming up on a year, but also like I'm just not been consistent with it, so I get it. But I've been very antsy and trying to like force the views and force numbers and almost like doing content that I don't care about doing. So like previously I had talked about how I was thinking about doing Mexico City like sit downs and like posting sit downs outside of the vlogs. And I was really only doing that because I know that like there's people who are interested in moving to Mexico City, and I thought that that those type of videos would like bring traction to my channel, which could be true. But when I started this channel, I never wanted it to be about Mexico City. Like I wanted it to be about my journey traveling and like how I'm learning and growing and developing and all that stuff, and not about the place that I'm in. But the place that I'm in is obviously going to be a part of it because it's a part of my journey right now. But I just never wanted to do specifically like Mexico City stuff, because there's so many people who are already doing that. And so, and that's honestly not my passion. I care more about just like documenting my journey. And so, but I caught myself like trying to do that, and I think that going that route, I end up watering down the things that I want to create and like just chasing views and chasing subscribers. And yeah, that's just not what I want to do. I don't want to force it. Plus, like doing that, I would be getting subscribers that I think I would be getting the wrong community of people. Like I would be getting people who are subscribing to my channel for travel stuff, which is cool, but like I'm not always going to be in Mexico City. And so what happens when I leave? Like, do those subscribers leave, you know? So it's like, again, when I just take my time to create the things I want to create, document the way that I want to, and just trust that like people will find me when they find me, then I just think that that helps me to build a better foundation for myself and my content and all that stuff. And so I don't know, those are the things I was kind of thinking about this week, and that kind of reflected in the things that I was doing. So yeah, it's all about just trying to remember that everything happens in God's timing, and there's no point in trying to fight it. So yeah, that was my week of enjoying the process of things, enjoying a slow week. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys this week. Next week we have a couple cool things coming up, so I'm excited for that vlog. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all those things, and I will catch you guys next